Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for watching my video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up button or subscribe if you want to see more. Today I'm flying in beautiful sunny Scotland to do the Edinburgh City Centre Transit. So at the moment we're just entered the zone, which is a Class D airspace. I'm in radar contact with Edinburgh Radar 121.2. We'll be proceeding straight over to the airfield overhead, and then I'll be flying over the city centre and exit at Musselburgh.
Victor X-ray, contact Edinburgh Tower 118.7.
Contact Tower 118.7, Golf Victor X-ray.
Golf Kilo Romeo, contact Edinburgh Tower 118.7.
1187, Golf Kilo Romeo.
Second 53, Mike Alpha, reduce speed 200 knots or less.
Speed 200 less, so the 5 Mike Alpha.
Second 53, Mike Alpha, turn left heading 080 degrees.
Left heading 080 degrees, so the 5 Mike Alpha.
Edinburgh Tower, Golf Romeo Sierra Kilo Romeo with you, currently 1,700, just north of the bridges, squawking 0432.
Romeo Sierra Kilo Romeo, Edinburgh Tower, report the bridges, traffic information, fixed wing just northeast of the bridges, routing to the bridges, then northbound against the airport when you get them inside.
Roger, we'll call back overhead the bridges and we're looking for traffic, Golf Kilo Romeo.
KLM 53 Hotel Romeo 24, clear to land, wind 280 and 9 knots.
Runway 24, clear to land, KLM 53 Hotel.
At the Golf Kilo Romeo, we have visual on the traffic.
Golf Kilo Romeo, let's report the bridges.
Report bridges, Golf Kilo Romeo.
Edinburgh Tower, good day, Ryanair 35 November Bravo, full establish on the ILS 24 at 6.5 nautical miles.
Ryanair 35 November Bravo, Edinburgh, continue approach number 2.
Number 2, 35 November Bravo.
Golf Victor X-ray, we're now exiting north for an orbit over Dunfermline, and then route towards Cowdenbeath.
Golf Victor X-ray, roger.
And Golf Kilo Romeo is overhead bridges, 1,800.
Golf Kilo Romeo, thanks. Continue southbound. Remain north of runway 24 for now. There is landing traffic.
Copy, we're heading towards the airfield, but we'll stay north of 24 until advised, Golf Kilo Romeo.
East 94 Whiskey, Quebec, vacate left, taxi holding point Alpha 12.
Left holding point Alpha 12, is it Alpha Whiskey Quebec?
Golf Kilo Romeo, traffic information 737, 2.5 mile final, runway 24, 4M inside.
Copy, we're looking for traffic, Golf Kilo Romeo, and we'll be orbiting to the left hand for now.
Okay, if you can just turn left to position down and right, and we'll get you across right behind them. There's further landing traffic.
Copy, Golf Kilo Romeo, I'm still looking.
35 November Bravo, runway 24, clear to land, wind 28011.
That's runway 24, Ryanair 35 November Bravo.
Edinburgh Tower, Golf Victor X-ray message.
Golf Victor X-ray.
Are you happy for us to orbit over Dunfermline once and then route north?
Yes, certainly. Report complete. Just stay clear of the Rosyth restricted area.
Stay clear of Rosyth and we'll carry Golf Victor X-ray. Edinburgh, good afternoon, Logan 53, Mike Alpha, visual approach 248 miles.
Logan 53, Mike Alpha, Edinburgh, continue number 2.
Continue 53, Mike Alpha.
And Golf Kilo Romeo, we have visual on their landing traffic.
Kilo Romeo, thanks. Continue in that left-hand orbit north of runway 24.
Copy, we'll continue on the left hand and we'll remain north at 24, Golf Kilo Romeo.
Can we take Bravo?
Yes, A-From.
Thank you.
Golf Kilo Romeo, report visual of the SAB 340, 3 mile final, runway 24.
Golf Kilo Romeo, we have the traffic in sight.
Golf Kilo Romeo, roger, arrange your flight to pass behind that SAB, report south of the final approach.
Copy, we'll pass above and behind the SAB on approach, Golf Kilo Romeo.
Edinburgh Tower, Golf Victor X-ray, message.
Golf Victor X-ray, pass your message.
Are you happy for us to throw an orbit in our current position?
Affirm.
Roger.
And Golf Kilo Romeo, we're now south of the 24 center line.
Golf Kilo Romeo, thanks. Contact, approach 121.2.
Back to approach 121.2, Golf Kilo Romeo, thank you.
No, level restriction low, going passing myself, thanks.
Edinburgh radar, Golf Romeo, Sierra, Kilo Romeo, back with you just south of the 24 center line, 1,500. We'd like to proceed now to Arthur Seat.
Golf Romeo, Sierra, Kilo Romeo, Edinburgh radar, roger. That is approved to Arthur Seat and then leave the zone via Musselburgh.
Copy, left turn to Arthur Seat, approved and no accepted zone at Musselburgh. Golf Kilo Romeo, thank you.
Again, 57 Whiskey Delta, contact 118, personal 7, good day.
87, thanks for the help, good afternoon, Logan, bye.
One in your 1 o'clock, 2 miles, another in your 10 o'clock, 2 miles. They're both not above 2,000 feet.
Roger, we're looking to
Hello, 69240, descending for level 70 direct, turn 280 knots, or greater, and standard speed below 250. We have India information, we have India and A320. Request visual approach, runway 24 if possible.
6924, Edinburgh radar low, cleared visual approach to establish not less than 7 miles and descent not below 6,000 feet, QNH 10